Come in. Any Dominion vessels in range. This is Agent X41822N, requesting emergency retrieval. Please respond.
Request acknowledged. Do not exit your ship until an escort arrives. Surrender your weapons and await further instructions.
Thank you for escorting her down to this base. I want to keep things quiet. So it is you.
Admiral Horner.
What's the last thing you remember?
I escaped from a base I didn't recognize. Not Dominion. What was that place? Why was I there?
Nova, you've been MIA. You and several other ghosts haven't reported in for months.
So I wasn't on a mission. And this isn't a debriefing.
No, it's not. We have evidence that links you to a terrorist group known as the Defenders of Man. You're wanted for treason against the Terran Dominion.
Treason? I've always been loyal to the Dominion. You know that.
It's not my call. Valerian will have a lot of questions for you when he arrives.
Admiral Horner, Zerg forces are heading for our location.
All hands to battle stations.
Look, I believe you, Nova. You're not the type to go AWOL.
But you'll have to prove me right. If you're as good as your record says you are, you'll be all the help we need.
I need a full report on what's going on out there, Captain.
Easier said than done, sir. The Zerg are invading this planet. They've established a hive in the mountains.
There have been too many Zerg attacks recently. The Dominion's still reeling from them, and this one's even worse.
Admiral, do you see those narrow canyons? I can attack the Zerg as they're going through that area. The fewer that reach the base, the longer we'll hold.
Good thinking. We'll set up an outpost for you here, and get some Reapers to cover the cliffs. I'll make sure they're equipped with spider mines. Use them wisely, and we can all get out of this in one piece.
Understood. Our position is secure. We're ready to head out.
One more thing, Nova. Swan wanted to have a word with you.
Yeah, I've been working on a jumpsuit that's ready for some field testing. You can't cloak in it, but it'll let you jump like one of those Reaper guys.
Well, I can't say no to that. I've sent a distress call to the Emperor's fleet. We have to hold until his forces arrive.
I'm listening. On the way. Oh, yeah, baby. All right. Agreed. Nothing I can't. SCV ready. I'm going. Certainly. Fair enough. Done. Let's do this. That's all? Yes, indeed. Let's do this. Agreed. Oh, yeah. SCV ready. On the way. Certainly.
I'm reading you. Confirm that.
What's going on? SCV ready.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
In the rear with... Big job.
Status report.
SCV SCV ready. Go ahead.
Nova here.
SCV ready.
The Zerg are approaching from the north side. Be ready. Status report.
SCV ready.
Nova here.
Got something from SCV ready.
I'm reading you.
Fear them.
Confirm that last. Status report.
I'm listening. SCV ready. On the way.
All right, we've got another pack of them coming in from the east.
What's it worth? Certainly.
I'm reading you. I'll make it happen. Confirm that last. Strictly business. On the move.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Got it. Target's neutralized. Time to get ready for the next round.
We have medics at the base if your forces need them, Nova.
Huh? Ah! You scared me! Big job, huh?
Nova here.
Go ahead. Sure thing.
I'm reading you. Say again?
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
I'm reading.
What's going?
Status report.
In the rear with the gear. Gotcha. SCV ready. Fair enough. All right. Certainly. On the way. Done. Agreed. Oh, that's all? Yes, indeed. Nothing I can't handle. Oh, yeah, baby. Let's do this. I'm going.
I'm detecting banelings inbound on our location. Get them before they hit our bunkers.
What's it worth?
Insufficient Vespene gas.
Got something?
Nova here. Executing.
In the rear with the gear. Well, butter my biscuit.
Status report. Say again?
Death from above.
Acknowledged.
Fear the Reaper, man.
Consider it done. Confirm that last. Strictly business. On the move.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Another attack is incoming. Marking the coordinates for you now. I'm reading.
Death from above. This better be good. Got something for me to kill.
Hey, Nova. Looks like the Zerg are going after our military research center here. Some of my guys are still in there, along with all their tech. Think you can help them out?
I'll see what I can do. I'm reading you.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Gangway!
Our allies' base is under attack.
You're the boss!
Confirm that last. Status.
What? You want something? Who wants some?
Nova here. Acknowledged.
Our allies' base is under attack.
On the move. On the Facility's clear, Swan.
What a relief. Feel free to take that tech with you. It's yours now. What's going on? Go ahead. Well, Butterman,
Say again?
in the rear with...
Confirm that last.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. The Grim Reaper has arrived.
I'm reading you.
I'm listening.
Nova here.
Cap from above. Oh, that's all? Oh, yeah, baby. On the way. I'm going. Fair enough. All right. Let's do this. Done. Certainly.
Now they're sending Ravagers our way. Watch out for their corrosive bile.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. The Grim Reaper has arrived. God, where's the
On the move. Say again? Acknowledged.
You want a piece of me, boy? Who wants some?
Status report. Got it. En route.
I'm listening. Agreed. All right. Yes, indeed. I'm going.
Be on alert. The enemy is heading toward us.
This better be good. On the way.
Nova here. I'm reading. I'll make it happen.
Add-on complete. Additional supply depots required.
En route.
What's it worth?
Got him. Now I can use this break to prepare for the next attack.
I'm detecting some overlords on the cliffs ahead. They're bringing in more Zerg. Clear them out if you need to access those areas.
On the move.
What's going? Ah! You scared me!
Nova here.
This better be good.
Status report. I'm
Bad news? Uh-huh. Huh? Yeah, whatever. I can't build here.
Say again? Consider it done. Got it.
What? You want something? Certainly. Oh, yeah, baby. All right. Agreed. Yes, and...
Confirm that last.
Insufficient Vespene gas. Insufficient Vespene gas.
Nova here. Acknowledged.
Gas from above.
I'm reading you. On the move.
You're not gonna believe this. Defilers are here, and they'll be able to shield other Zerg around them.
Insufficient Vespene gas.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
En route. Acknowledged.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Loud and clear.
Got something for me to kill. Huh.
Confirm that last. Status report. Executing.
I'm listening. Fear the Reaper, man.
The enemy isn't letting up. Prepare for another assault.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. In the rear with the gear.
I'm reading you. Got it.
Grim Reaper has arrived.
Loud and clear. Advancing on target. Consider stop. Execute. I'll make it happen.
I thought our experimental weaponry labs were far enough away, but now the Zerg's after them too.
Don't worry. I'll be there soon.
Yep.
Say again? Status report. Acknowledged.
Our allies' base is under attack.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. Bad news.
I'm reading you.
I'm listening.
En route.
Got something for me to kill.
Upgrade complete.
That's all? Oh, yeah, baby.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Executing.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Got it. All right, everyone's safe. And there's some equipment here.
It's all yours. Knew you could do it, Ace.
Ace? Is he serious?
Got something for me to kill. Nothing I can't handle.
Confirm that last.
Go ahead. In the rear with the gear. Yes, sir. Well, butter my business.
Say again?
Huh?
You want a piece of me, boy?
The Grim Reaper has arrived. It's your dime.
Status report. No.
What?
I'm reading.
What's it worth?
Bad news, Nova. The enemy's launching attacks from both sides.
I'm listening. Fair enough.
We're screwed. Go, go, go! Armed and ready.
Loud and clear. Executed.
Yes, indeed.
Go, go, go! Who wants some?
Confirm that last.
Got something. What? You want something?
Our allies' base is under attack.
Well done, everyone. We've brought them down.
By the numbers, boys. Gangway, coming through.
What's going on?
Upgrade complete.
This better be good.
Status report.
Go, go, go! You want a piece of me, boy? Well, Buttermouth, big job, huh? Yep. I can't build here. Who wants some? Ah! You scared me! Yep.
Nova here.
SCV ready. Looking forward to it. You gonna give me orders?
I'm reading you.
Armed and ready. SCV ready. Oh, yeah, baby. I'm going. On the way. All right.
Ultralisks are moving into attack. You'd better hurry.
Let's do this. Yes, indeed. Nothing I can't handle. Done.
Say again?
This better be good. It's your dime.
Confirm that.
Who wants some?
Acknowledged.
Want a piece of me, boy?
Got it.
Mineral field depleted.
This better be good.
Done. Acknowledged.
What's going on? Huh? Big job, huh? Sure thing.
Nova here.
We've got something big coming our way. Hope you're ready.
Armed and ready.
Not enough minerals.
Gangway, coming through. You gonna give me orders? Go ahead.
Not enough minerals.
I'm reading you. En route. Strict.
Mineral field.
What's up?
Loud and clear.
Mineral field depleted.
You want a piece of me, boy?
En route. Execute.
Not enough energy.
Acknowledged. Loud and clear.
Gangway, coming through. Let's do this.
I hope you're not still doubting my loyalty, Admiral.
We all appreciate your aid right now.
Certainly. All right. Yes, indeed. On the way.
Status report. On the move.
Armed and ready.
Acknowledged.
Not enough minerals. Mineral field depleted.
You gonna give me orders? By the numbers, boys. Go, go, go! What's going on? Who wants some?
Confirm. Status report. Loud and clear.
Been waiting on you. Orders received.
Say again?
You want a piece of me, boy?
En route.
Fall back, Nova. The Zerg outnumber us, and we can't afford to lose anyone.
Consider it done.
Nova, all of the enemy's remaining forces are coming in for one last strike. You have to hold them off.
I'm listening. Fair enough. I'm going. I'm going. On the way. Let's do this. Oh, that's all? All right. Nothing I can't handle. Agreed. Certainly. Done.
I'm reading you.
Fear the...
Nova here. Got it.
Base is under attack. Base is under attack.
En route. On the move.
Our allies' base is under attack.
Strictly business.
Base is under attack.
I'll make it happen.
Base is under attack.
Executing.
Admiral Horner, Terran battlecruisers are warping in above the Zerg's position, but they aren't the Emperor's.
What? I don't like the look of this.
Base is under attack.
Got it. Loud and clear.
They're sending out a broadcast, patching it through.
The Zerg have always been a threat. And today, the Emperor's forces have proved that they are too weak to protect the people of Borea. But the defenders of man are here for you. We will do all we can to safeguard your future.
Admiral, they're contacting us directly.
Let's hear it.
This world is under our protection. Surrender the Ghost and evacuate, or face the consequences.
Like hell we will. Nova, get your forces back here. They can't stop us from leaving while they're still fighting the Zerg. We'll have to meet the Emperor elsewhere.